Hey guys, how you doing? So, want to make a quick video for you guys, talk to you about the fact that I'm buying and I'm picking my opportunities and looking at some strategic acquisitions of buying some Bitcoin and other crypto assets. And I'm going to tell you why I'm doing that. So that's what this video is. So please do two things: like and subscribe below. And thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. So here's where I'm at. We've saw Bitcoin drop down to 53,000 and change in the last 24 to 36 hours, right? Now it's kind of gradually moving back up just a little bit. Well, I'm using my trading indicator, X1 Algo. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. I'm looking at the 4-hour and the 12-hour charts, okay, for a buy alert to be issued for Bitcoin, some Ethereum, and some of the other major cryptos. And what I'm doing is I've got some money sitting aside that I've actually set aside for taxes, but I won't have to use that money until, later next year. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to put that money into some really stable, if you will, crypto investments. Again, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so I already own Bitcoin. I already own Ethereum in my kind of long-term bags, right? But I'm like, hey, why not? I've got this money that's set aside for taxes, but it's sitting in stablecoin. It's not making me any money, okay? And so that's just my situation. But I'm telling you this so that maybe you could look at your situation and go, hey, Austin's maybe looking at buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, using his software, all that kind of stuff. But I'm giving you kind of my rationale and my reason why I'm doing that. Okay, now, again, this is a unique situation. The reason I'm doing this is this is tax money that I've set aside to pay taxes on 2024. But you could apply it to anything, right? You could apply it to, hey, if the time is right to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and hold long term, then so be it. I've said to you guys the whole time that June, July are not great months for crypto, meaning that we tend to see the market move down. Well, they're not great from a fund standpoint, but the markets move down like we see, that's when you buy, right? So that's what I'm trying to convey to you, is that I'm looking at buying these cryptos, these assets, because, again, I firmly believe and know that Bitcoin's going to go up. By the first quarter of 2025, I think Bitcoin's going to be well over $100,000. That's a 45% or more move up from where we're at right now, right? It's a 45% return on my investment if I buy Bitcoin today in that example, okay? I just want you guys to understand that there's definitely multiple ways to make money in crypto. And for me, I'm looking at this as a way to make money with money I have set aside for taxes. So why not, versus having it sitting in stablecoin? So I'm saying this to you, maybe kind of look at your situation. Look at what cryptos you own. Look at how much stablecoin you own. Look at your situation and how can you make more money with the assets and the cash that you have sitting there. And start looking at, maybe I ought to think about buying some of that, Bitcoin or whatever. I mean, it could be bread. It could be meme coins. It doesn't really matter, whatever, if it's right for you, okay? And so I'm rambling. I just wanted to kind of get this off my brain, and that's what I'm doing. I'm buying for very specific reasons. I'm looking to kind of make more money with the cash I have that's set aside from taxes, things of that nature, okay? And I'm using my trading indicator to do that. Links in the description below if you want to pick that up. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. There's a discount code down there that makes the software cost about $1 a day. I've made it as cheap as I possibly could from a cost perspective. So, that's what I'm doing. So with that, that's all I got. I'm going to go spend the rest of the day with the family and kind of enjoy the remainder of this July 4th holiday week. I'll see you.